Welcome to www.westsideautopros.com. Today's topic, tips for towing a trailer with ease. There are many different reasons why you might want to tow a trailer behind your car. You might want to pull along a storage container. You might want to pull along a flat which will hold certain items like lawnmowers. You might even need to pull along your car. No matter why you're pulling a trailer, you need to make sure that you're following certain guidelines for towing a trailer. These standards will help you to be able to get better fuel efficiency from your car. They will also help you to make sure that you're driving safer. Check all connections. The most important thing that you can do when towing a trailer is to make sure that you have properly attached everything to your car. This includes the brake lights, the safety chain, as well as the hitch itself. Making sure that these connections are made correctly will help you to be a safer driver. They will also help you to make sure that the trailer will not fly off while you're driving your car across the country. The most important thing to remember is that each kind of hitch is different and that you'll need to follow the guidelines as instructed for your hitch. Get a better hitch. One of the most important aspects of towing a trailer is to make sure that you have a good hitch to attach your trailer to. This is important because no matter what you do with the trailer itself, if the hitch is not of good quality and properly attached, it can simply fly off of your vehicle unexpectedly. The best advice if your car did not come with a hitch is to make sure that the hitch is professionally installed. This will help to avoid any problems down the road. Load the trailer correctly. It's very important that you get to know your trailer. Know what weight limitations you will need to operate under. You will also need to make sure that you have loaded the trailer properly. This means making sure that the weight is distributed properly. When towing a trailer that does not have the weight distributed properly, it can cause problems like uneven wear in the tires to pulling the trailer to one side or the other, which can affect your ability to drive and maintain safety with the trailer. Get a better trailer. Another solution you can look for when towing a trailer is to make sure that you have a good trailer to begin with. This is important because the trailer can have a better axle or load capacity than others. Make sure that when you purchase your trailer that you're getting the one which is best suited to the task you are using it for. This will help to make sure that you have the ability to load it correctly and that you will not be exceeding weight capacities. If the trailer is not suited to your needs, buy one that is. To find out more information on topics like this, go to www.westsideautopros.com.